Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A57s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness. And as you can see right here, we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark, and also you can schedule your dark mode. In dark mode settings, you can change dark mode style, enable or disable adaptive contrast, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, and adjust icons to dark mode. Also, you can enable dark mode for third-party apps. Next, you can change brightness level of the display manually or via auto brightness. Then, you can change screen color mode between vivid, natural, and also you can change screen color temperature, and enable or disable eye comfort mode that you can also schedule, adjust, and change display effects. Next, you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, auto screen off between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, and you can change screen display view for camera and full screen display by app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.